Good morning everyone. I am Krushi Din from grade 7. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Tuesday and today's date is 1st July 2025. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Prem Kumar from grade 7. Every Tuesday we are observing a thoughtful Tuesday. So the thought is agriculture is a civilization in itself. Thank you.
A very fresh morning to one and all present over here. I am Samida Alankar from grade 8 and the student of Shraddha Olympiad School and the member of Curiosity Crew Group. Today we are observing Doctors' Day. Wish to thank you all the doctors in the world. Express our heartfelt gratitude for their selfless services. We, the member of Curiosity Crew Group, visiting some doctors to give them thank you letter and wish them luck. Thank you and have a peaceful day ahead.
Good morning everyone. This is Kanak Daima from Maths Magician family. Today on the occasion of National Chartered Accountant Day, I, a student of Shraddha Olympiad School, behalf of entire Maths Magician, I wish to express my gratitude towards CAs of our country. We wish to highlight the role and importance of CAs in Indian economy and smooth flow for all of us. We will be visiting some CAs to express our gratitude and wish them luck. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sadhna Bute from grade 7.
I am Sai Khade from grade 7.
My name is Manvi Jogde from grade 7.
This is Sai Patil from grade 7.
This is Akanksha Kolkar from grade 7. We are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing Maharashtra Agriculture Day, which is observed every year on July 1st and honors the hard work of farmers in Maharashtra.
You might be wondering why only for July. It is because in memory of Santarao Naik's longest service of Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he worked a lot for welfare of farmers. For July his birth anniversary.
Let me name some major farming region in Maharashtra, like first Viranba for cotton and soybean, second Marathwada for pulses and jar, third Western Maharashtra for sugarcane and coconut for rice and fruits.
Some problems faced by farmers are lack of water, crops failure, and climate change. Today we are also observing two important days, which are Doctors' Day and Chartered Accountant Day. Doctors' Day honors the contribution of doctors and commemorates the birth and death anniversary of Dr. B.C. Roy.
Let's see some symbols related to medical professions like Red Cross, Rod of Asclepius, Caduceus, Stethoscope, etc. Today we are also observing National CA Day. CA Day marks the foundation of ICAI, which stands for Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Also, CAs helps in managing money, businesses and economy. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that let's respect our farmers, doctors and CAs for their contribution.
We all wish you
Happy Maharashtra Krushi Din.
Blessed Doctor Days.
And prosperous National CA Day.
Thank you.